Today I've got the window cleaner. I'm going to clean my patio doors, and I'll show you how easy it is with our multi-tool. So the window multi-tool bundle comes with the multi-tool, the window fiber, and our window miracle, just for tidying up and in between cleans. And I'll show you how to set up using our other fibers as well, so you can use the multi-tool for many other uses. First things first, I've got to add water. So I always add it to the fiber first and also to the glass. And I'm just going to do half so that I can show you the before and after in a moment. You can see the clean side versus the side I haven't cleaned. And it's very easy to achieve with the window multi-tool. Now when you have the multi-tool, you can exchange the fibers over to do different jobs. We have the window fiber on here now, and we also have the living fiber, which is great for walls and doors and internal surfaces. We also have the dust fiber available. That's for dusting, so it's great for dusting walls or cornices, skirting boards, or just high up areas like air conditioning vents and things. And we have the bathroom multi-tool fiber. And this one's great if you have large shower screens or large mirrors in the bathroom. And because you can add the pole to the multi-tool, you're able to conquer those high, hard to get to areas. So to switch the fibers over, all you do is sit it flat and pull the tab, which unhooks it and slides away. And then to put the new fiber on, slide it into the tag end, so this end here with the ENJO tag, and then add it with the elastic side. So that is now the bathroom multi-tool. Now if you want to remove the blade for any reason, you just push this button and pull the blade out, and I'll show you how to pop the pole on. So to add the pole to the multi-tool, if you're wanting to do high up or hard to reach areas, all you do is you just remove this clip like such, place it aside, and the cap just pulls off. And with your floor cleaner pole, that just goes in, line up the holes and reinsert the clip to secure it. And now you have an extendable multi-tool.